Stop the sentence sprint, using periods to separate independent clauses. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into an important aspect of English grammar, fixing run-on sentences. Specifically, we will focus on the technique of using periods to separate independent clauses. This method helps ensure our writing is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what run-on sentences are. A run-on sentence happens when two or more independent clauses, complete thoughts, are joined without appropriate punctuation or a conjunction. For instance, I love studying English, it is an interesting language. As you can see, this sentence feels like a non-stop sprint. It's running on. Now, let's bring in our hero of the day, the humble period. In English grammar, a period is used to denote the end of a declarative sentence. It signals a full stop and creates a clear division between separate thoughts or ideas. It is one of the simplest ways to fix a run-on sentence. So, how do we apply the period to our run-on sentence? Let's revisit our earlier example. I love studying English, it is an interesting language. To fix this run-on, we can use a period to separate the two independent clauses. I love studying English. It is an interesting language. With the period, each independent clause stands on its own as a separate sentence. This makes our writing much easier to read and understand. To get comfortable with this, let's try a few more examples. Consider the sentence, my dog is very playful, he loves to fetch the ball. Can you spot the run-on? Great! Now, let's apply our period. My dog is very playful. He loves to fetch the ball. With practice, identifying and fixing run-on sentences using periods will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today on our grammar journey. Remember, correcting run-on sentences is a key part of mastering English grammar. Using periods to separate independent clauses can help you create clear, readable sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be an expert at stopping those sentence sprints. Happy learning!